Hey, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. The question I'm going to answer for you today is, why is digital marketing important in marketing? Well, because the world is telling people your answer is online. Just Google it. And on top of that, through mass media, most ads are driving people to an online website. Last year, we saw hundreds of millions of dollars spent in advertising, online gambling, and sports betting alone. Today, what you need to understand about that traffic is that it's 50 to 75% mobile traffic coming to your website. So everybody's using their phone to look things up and do research. So having your website work well on a mobile phone is key to your success. And if you haven't checked it lately, you should definitely check out your own website on your mobile phone. Now, what the social media platforms do is they make this easy for you because they're already optimized for the mobile devices. So why is digital marketing important marketing for you? Is because most prospects are researching your company before they ever engage with it. They're looking for what we call social proof. They'll read some reviews, especially the 1-star, to see how you've handled it. They're going to ask their online community. They're going to check out your social media. They're going to visit your website. They want to know if you solved their problem, and they'll want to get an idea of price. So the Google search is super important for you. Your website needs to show up. Your Google My Business listing needs to show up. Your social media needs to show up. And any aggregators you're signed up with need to show up. You need to fill up page 1. You need to dominate page 1 of Google when somebody types in your company name. Otherwise, they're going to find your competitors. And Google My Business is one of those keys today. It has photos, it has reviews, it will provide directions, it has your hours of business, has your phone number, a link to your website, and allows prospects to ask a question. So if you haven't been paying attention to your Google My Business, I suggest you get in there and tune that up. This is an essential part of the customer's journey when they go online and part of your digital marketing program. They're also going to go and see what you're showing off on Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. These platforms are wonderful for letting people see your work, your products, and your company before they're ever contacting you. Today, we also find potential employees are looking at your social media to make sure that this might be a place they want to come to work. So make sure that you're doing your best, putting your best foot forward on your social media platforms. And lastly, on your website, make sure that you're providing price or price ranges. Here's an example of price ranges. This gives a person an idea of what they get for how much. This allows you to have a better conversation when they show up because they're a better prospect. So, are you ready when your prospects just Google it? Or do you have some work to do? Check out our other videos on digital marketing, content marketing, those sorts of things, so that you can make sure that your business is robust in those areas. Do us a digital favor if you like this video and subscribe to the channel and get the rest of the videos, or like this video so that other people will know this is a good video that might help them. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below the video. We'll answer them for you. Thank you.